If you are a new and upcoming brand, definitely DM me on Instagram at jo.taytay if you would like me to feature some of your new releases on my channel. I will do something similar to this video, do a try-on haul, unboxing, and different ways you can style it. So if that seems to interest you, I will put my Instagram right here, or even my email, my business email, so you can contact me. Hey Nique Nation, it's your girl Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name's Jonique and I create fashion related content from lookbooks, hauls, I do clothing reviews, jewelry reviews, and things like that. So if it seems to interest you, definitely subscribe, click the subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000. But in today's video, I am going to be doing a brand review, product review. I received a piece from this special brand. It is called Datique, and we are going to be unboxing what I got as a gift. So if this video seems to interest you and you want to know what this new brand is about, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and let's just get right to it. So guys, this is the package that I received. So I might do a close-up to show you guys, but this says Datique. This is their logo, and it comes in this pretty hot pink bag, which I really love. So far I like the packaging. I am going to be doing an unboxing, probably do a try-on haul so you guys can see how it fits on me, but I will definitely be posting pictures, so look out for that. If you're not following me right now, follow me at jo.taytay. That's where I will be uploading these pictures. But let's just get right into the unboxing. Ooh, I love pink, if you guys don't know, so this packaging is making me very happy. When you open it up, this is the item that I received. So I got this in a size medium, and so far I love the cheetah. As you can see, I'm wearing cheetah. I love me a good cheetah print. It is a staple piece to have in your closet, just as a nice different print to have. And this is the item. So it is a one-piece romper. It's really nice, amazing quality, very stretchy, and I can't wait to put it on, style it, and we're gonna see how I can style this up for you guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I will do a full body try on so you can see exactly how it's fitting the curves. But all in all, I think it's really nice, and it is very simple, which is nice because you can add layers to it. You can add a jacket, you can add a belt, some boots, like you can definitely style this up. Also in the package, you receive this thank you note. So it says, "Thank you for shopping with us, Datique." You can follow them right now on Instagram at Datique_. So it's DA_TIQUE. And then don't forget to tag them to be featured on their Instagram and website. And this is their website as well. So I'll put this up so you can screenshot it. But yeah, I like the theme. I like what it's going for. It is a up and coming boutique, Black owned. She has some good pieces and I can't wait to see it. I also wanted to show you guys the details. This is their hand tag. It says the logo Datique. This is the inside of it. So you can see she put a lot of work into it, and it's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Now that I have on the romper, I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can style this look. Now, the first way you can go for, so the more predictable option that a lot of people will go for when they see cheetah is they will think leather. You can do leather with this look and it's gonna look magnificent, but we're gonna try to do something different. We're going to pull out the black in this romper, so we're gonna do a black on black look, and I'm going to tie it in with the season that we're in, which is fall. Okay, so I got this puffer jacket now. I got this from Pretty Little Things, and I'm going to put it on with the romper. And I'm gonna show you how we're going to elevate this basic romper into a fashionable fit. So now you can wear it like this if you're going for that look, but you want to play with the jacket. You want to do a little off the shoulder, give it some body. And I want to keep it simple with the jewelry because the romper is very loud because of the prints, and you don't want to do too much. You can if that's what you're going for, but if you want to keep it simple and just let the outfit be coherent and everything flow nicely, this is what we're going to do. These are the shoes that I'm going to be wearing. I got these from Shein, and they are magnificent. So I'm gonna add these boots and I'm gonna show you the complete look, add some accessories, and stay tuned. This is the complete look. I just added these black shades because it's going with the edgy look, and I really like this fit. Everything looks nice. I'm gonna show you the longer version of it so you can see what it looks like with the shoes and everything, but I really like this. This is really nice if you want to go for more of that edgy look. But I'm going to show you another option if you want to tone it down and have more of a calm, neutral tone colors and keep it more casual. If you're looking to tone the romper down and go for something more casual, this is another option that you can go with. I paired it with this Letterman varsity jacket. You can wear it like this, or you can even put the sleeves on and go for that look. But this look is very cozy, very comfortable. You can do some very heavily accessories with this if you want, maybe some hoop earrings and add to it. I'm wearing these boots similar to the black ones that I purchased, and these are the ones that I'm going for. I think this look altogether is very different, very cute, unique, and this is another way that you can style this beautiful romper. Another way you can style this is accessorizing it with a belt. Now you see I have this very cute pearled belt, and it is really nice, and it does add nicely with the romper. Now, so if you want to do something like this and do more of like an sophisticated look, you can add a blazer as so. If you're going to a holiday party now, you can wear a red blazer with this and it'll look really nice. So this is another option that you can wear this with. Now for this look, I would wear this with heels just because I'm going for more of an upscale look and I'm trying to dress this up. So this is an option that you can go for if you want to go for more of a classy yet dressy look with this type of romper. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. If you really enjoyed, give this video a big thumbs up. Head on over to Instagram and check out Datique. I will put their Instagram name right here. Definitely check it out. They have some nice upcoming items, new releases coming soon. I also wanted to mention, if you are a new and upcoming brand, definitely DM me on Instagram at jo.taytay if you'll like me to feature some of your new releases on my channel. I will do something similar to this video, do a try-on haul, unboxing, and different ways you can style it. So if that seems to interest you, I will put my Instagram right here, or even my email, my business email, so you can contact me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love the romper that I received. I like how versatile it was. I was able to style it many different ways, and in the video I showed you exactly how you can style it, or options that you guys can go for, because I know you guys are going to be like, Jonique, it's a cute romper, but how am I going to wear this? And I wanted to help with that. So don't worry about it, because I got you covered. So these are just some different options that you guys can play with, add your own unique touch to it. And if you do purchase the romper and you style it in your own way, definitely tag me on Instagram and I would love to repost you. Head on over to Datique on Instagram and subscribe to them, follow them, get to know them, get acquainted with this new Black-owned brand, and comment down below which look was your favorite. Was it 1, 2, or 3? Stay tuned on my Instagram. I will be posting which one I decided to go with because it was my favorite. But have a wonderful rest of your day and Happy New Year's. Bye guys.